This is home. What's the middle sound in the word home?
O.
Oh, can you say oh?
O.
Very good. Okay, so what is it here?
Home.
Home. And here?
Bone.
Very good.
Cone.
Cone. That's right. And?
Rope.
Excellent. Okay, so can you read the sentence there?
I have out over the rope at home.
Can you say hop
Hop
over?
over.
Again, I
have covered the rope home.
at home.
At home.
Very good. Okay, so turn to the next page. Wow. So this is cube. What's the middle sound in the word cube?
U.
U. Very good. So can you read all those four words for me?
Cube. Cube.
Very good.
Mute.
Very good.
Cute.
Excellent.
Meal.
Very good. Okay. So which one do you like? Cute. Okay. Can you turn to the next page? Okay, so this is a tube. What's the middle sound in the word tube? Can you remember?
Ooh.
Ooh, very good. Okay, so what's this?
Tube.
Mm-hmm.
The June.
Okay.
June.
One more time.
Tube. Rule.
Rule. Okay. So can you read the sentence over there?
Ham June on to in June.
Very good. Okay, great. Now, wow. So can you read this story? No? Okay, we can help each other. So what's the name of the story?
Look and the bone.
Bone. Okay, now look at picture 1.
It's June. Look
And
his
his
view.
cute.
View walk on the sand.
Very good. Okay, now look at picture 2.
Lucy bone in the sand.
Very good.
He is a big bone.
Big bone. Okay.
He has a mule and a rope.
Very good. Now picture number 3.
Look and see the mule.
Again, look and his
Look and see
his mule
mule
pull
the
the
bone
bone.
with the rope.
Very good. And the last picture
Look
is at
home.
home. Okay.
He put a big bone on the cube.
Okay.
Look
and
his
mule.
mule
Okay.
are happy.
Happy. Okay. So can you read new words?
Sand. Happy.
Now can you read the sight words?
He's walk. Sees. Pull.
Very good.